out of bed today to blue skies and sunshine. So me have to give thanks for life. Although the road rough sometimes, still no complain or me gracious. Enough man leave me wake up. Me not dumb, me not blind, me not deaf, me not cripple. No my bone them no break up. So there is no complaining. Judge I give thanks.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Empress D. Nice to have you. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back y'all. I see my channel is still growing and we're growing nicely at a steady pace, and I like it. So thank you guys a lot for subscribing to my channel. Okay, so this is the last video of our then versus now glow up series, and this is the look that I have done, and I will just insert my picture here. Okay, so that is the look that I replicated with my new ever-growing skills. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just stay tuned and I'll run through it with you step by step as I normally do. Okay, I'll see you guys in a second.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for spend.
Right guys, so as usual, we are starting with one eye completed, and we are going to replicate this eye over here. And just to let you guys know, as usual, I already have my brows done. I went in with my Technic black brow pencil and also my saffron dark brown pencil, and you guys know the deal. I started with the black and then I completed the front with the brown. To do this look, I picked up a palette that I even forgot that I had, and that is the Beauty Bay EYN Bright Matte palette, and that is what it looks like. I think I used this like back in the earlies of me doing my videos, maybe going back to February. I may have used this palette, but I'm just going to use it again today. I found it, absolutely forgot that I bought it, so I will be going in with these three colors here and slight touch of the purple. Okay, I know that there's no purple in the look that I did, but you can't even tell that there's any purple in there, to be honest. It's just a little bit, and it's just to darken the crease so the crease is nice and crisp when I cut it. Okay, I need a dark shade there in order for me to achieve that look. What I did there was just basically marking the highest point that I want my cut crease to go, so I know that I can't go above that basically. Okay, Right, now just for the bottom, I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetic Weekend Festival palette, and I'm just going to use this blue up here. And while I'm looking at this, I might just pop something in my inner corner, maybe this one or this one up here. I'm not too sure, we'll see how it goes. Right guys, so I am just going to pop off and do my lashes, and I will be back in a second. Right guys, so I am back, and this is your girl's final look. What do you guys think? Before I go, let me just insert my picture again, like right here. Okay, so then versus now. What do you guys think? Glow up? Let me know. I'm out. Love you guys. Peace.